Welcome back to 556 Media. Let's take a ride in the hot tub time machine and go over some of the police cars I drove during my 30-year professional law enforcement career. Some that you're not going to see are the 80s models, Dodge Diplomats, the late 80s Chevy Caprice. Other than that, the year you see on the photos is about the year the photo was taken. So I will leave it up to you to decide the year, make, and model of the police car you see in the photo. So thank you for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one. So if you've stuck around this far, you're about to see a couple bonus photographs over the course of my career. And this first one is kind of unique. This is a Montgomery County, Maryland police car, my police car, next to a South Bethany, Delaware police car in a South Bethany, Delaware police parking lot. This is me back in, I think, 1989, riding a moped, a police-issued moped. And this is me in 1987 when I first got into paid law enforcement outside of being a police explorer. Prior to that, that's me as a 17-year-old. And now you get to see a 30-year culmination, or part of a 30-year culmination of my law enforcement career in photos. So again, thank you for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing.